comes a Cessna straight at me over my house, flying backwards against the civilian exit route. So this guy must just not know. He's waving the tail, and they're starting to do it as the tail waves when you accelerate. That's what they did with the helicopter earlier. The other day they did it with the police helicopter when he was following the plane. He wasn't accelerating at all. They've done it so many times in stupid situations. To make a constant out of it with such a variety of instances is so stupid. They're like, I don't know, dude, it happened once. We're not sure. The pilot dropped a sandwich, but no. They went full on stupid. So this guy just waved the tail. So there would have to be so much thrust that he couldn't handle it, that the plane was just shaking like a cat pouncing on something. It's taking off all this energy. It's too stupid.